everything you're doing to prepare for this dangerous storm is going to mitigate the impact of potential natural disasters results.
Well, that is one way to say it.
And I've already signed an emergency declaration for Louisiana to make sure we're ready for the surge response capability to deal with whatever comes their way, our way, but it's their way.
Whatever comes their way.
Their way, our way, but it's their way.
Oh, well, fine then. I feel so much better.